May have already seen or more likely heard the Texas Division of Emergency Management testing local alert systems today. It started about an hour ago and will continue for another hour and a half. Trevor Sahaki's in Dallas with what you need to know.
Today's test of the local alert systems is supposed to evaluate effectiveness and functionality of the public warning tools. It comes as Texas is in the middle of severe weather season. So what does this mean for you? You'll probably notice your phone buzzing with alarms, similar to what you might receive for an Amber Alert or weather alert. You might also hear tornado sirens or flood sirens. Officials say this will help build confidence in the technology and identify any flaws in the system. While this is especially important now during severe weather season, it also comes almost a year after the flooding disaster in Kerr County. The county notably did not have any flood alert system when the deadly floods caused the Guadalupe River to rise quickly, killing more than 100 people, among them 27 girls and camp counselors at Camp Mystic. The state is working with local officials, school districts, law enforcement, and other entities to put the drill together today. In a statement, Texas Emergency Management Chief Nim Kidd said in part, quote, "Regular training and testing of public warning systems builds readiness before disaster strikes and is an important component of community safety." After today's drill, state officials plan on meeting with local organizations that participated to debrief takeaways to improve for the future. In Dallas, Trevor Sahaki, CBS News, Texas.